a lot of us argue that Indian diets essentially are carbs heavy. I mean, हम सब्जी खाते हैं रोटी खाने के लिए. We eat a little bit of dal, but the chawal is what covers our plate. But is that really a problem? Because when it comes to increasing cases of diabetes and obesity, half the time we're ordering out. So do you see our traditional home-cooked meals a problem?
Well, that's a very valid question, I must say, because there's so much talked about diet, especially diet fads these days,
Yes.
that we're more influenced about what is put up on social media than what actually matters to our body.
Yes.
And unfortunately, these reels and social media information is not tailored. It's not for individuals. It's for the population. And it may not suit everyone. Hence, coming to your question, Indian diets have always been carbohydrate rich. It's not today that we've started to incorporate carbohydrates in our diet.
Yeah.
It has always been that, because that's what we grow in our country. Agriculture has always been the main source of earning,
Yeah.
and wheat and rice have largely been grown over the years. But the problem started when we started processing that food, when we started processing and ultra processing it and taking out all the essential nutrients out of the carbohydrates that we put in our plate every day. And that is when the problem started to occur. Also, not that, our sedentary lifestyle that just got worse and is only getting worse with every passing year now. We see that we're longer seating hours, there's very less mobility. Exercise is probably not so common still in our population. And as people are still not aware about it as much as they need to be.
Yeah.
So I don't see carbohydrate as the only problem or the Indian diet as the only problem in our population, but there are various factors. There's a lot of lack of awareness that needs to be addressed. And I think when we put it out on a platform like this, it's a good way of telling everyone what is right for them and what is not. A lot of people just stay away from gluten because influencers tell them to do so, but
Yeah.
it's not right and it's not needed.
Yeah.
And I think that is what needs to be told by an expert.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely, by an expert.